Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by stopping Chrome completely so files can be repaired. Open Task Manager and end Chrome. .exe and background helpers. Once done, make sure Chrome sync or export bookmarks so you don't lose data. That protects profiles when replacing files. Next, locate your profile folder under appdata/local/google/chrome/user data because we'll reference it for running checks and restoring a clean executable. This first action prevents file locks and ensures you can safely run scans and replacements without restarting mid-process. Now you'll repair system integrity and replace the corrupted Chrome binary. Open an elevated command prompt, run sfc/scano to fix OS file issues, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair component store problems that can cause bad image errors. After those finish, verify Chrome. .exe properties and version in the installation folder. Download the latest Chrome installer from a trusted source and, if needed, temporarily disable antivirus so the installer can overwrite corrupted Chrome. .exe without being blocked. Finish by running the Chrome installer as administrator and choose repair or a full reinstall. That ensures Chrome. .exe and supporting DLLs are freshly written. Once installed, start Chrome with a new temporary profile to confirm the bad image error is gone, then re-enable sync or import bookmarks. If problems remain, run a full malware scan and inspect Event Viewer's application log for the faulting module name. This points to leftover malicious or third-party DLLs. If you see a specific DLL, remove or update the associated software and repeat the reinstall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.